Why are you guys cutting down that tree?
Cutting all 3 down.
Why?
Because you're paying us to.
Who's paying you?
The homeowner.
Well, do they own those trees?
Yeah, I would assume so.
Well, you don't know for sure?
I mean, they're in their yard, aren't they?
Well, if they're in their yard, they own them?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't own the trees in your yard?
I don't have any trees. They all got cut down.
Right.
I ain't like, how old do you think these trees are?
Pretty old, 60 years.
So other people have owned these trees before, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know how long these people have lived in this house, but...
Right. You get where I'm going with this?
No, I don't.
Well, it's just that all these trees in this neighborhood are getting cut down.
Okay, well maybe you should plant a tree at your house since you don't have any trees.
Oh, you know what? You're right. That's what I plan on doing. But I won't be around for the next 100 years to see them as big as this one.
I mean, for all we know, they're going to replant too, you know? We don't know.
True. Maybe you guys should also plant some trees while you're here.
I mean, yeah, we do.
You do?
I mean, not here specifically, but yeah.
If they pay you.
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll let you go. Sorry.
Thanks.